In the darkness of the night, a haunting sound echoes through the wilderness, the howl of the wolf, one of nature's oldest and most powerful predators. For centuries, wolves have been both feared and admired. They are not just hunters, they are part of a finely tuned team. Within the pack, each member has a role to play. The alphas lead, the young observe and learn, and the mothers guard their pups. Through this order, the pack survives as a strong and united community. With extraordinary senses, wolves are unmatched in the wild. Their eyes pierce the darkness, their ears detect the faintest sound from miles away, and their sense of smell guides them to prey across vast distances. Yet wolves are more than predators. They are loyal, nurturing, and bound by deep family ties. Their howls are not just calls. They are voices of unity, a testament to their unbreakable bond. For thousands of years, the wolf has lived not only in the wild, but also in human imagination, a symbol of freedom, strength, and solidarity. The wolf.